Cristiano Ronaldo, soccer superstar, health enthusiast. One time he sat down at a press conference. Big deal, right? Wrong. He moved 2 Coca-Cola bottles. He wanted them out of sight. Then he held up a bottle of water. "Drink water," he said. Boom! The world went nuts. This wasn't just some random gesture. Ronaldo is a fitness freak. He's all about clean living. This little move, it was a huge statement. He was saying, hey, maybe sugary drinks aren't the best. The internet exploded. People were talking. And you know who else noticed? The stock market, Coca-Cola's share price dipped. It dropped by 1.6%. That might not sound like much, but we're talking billions of dollars here. Coca-Cola, of course, wasn't thrilled. They released a statement. They said everyone's entitled to their drink preferences. They also pointed out that they sponsor big events like the Euros, but the damage was done. Ronaldo's move sparked a trend. French soccer star Paul Pogba did something similar. He removed a Heineken beer bottle from the press conference table. Pogba's a Muslim. Alcohol is forbidden in Islam. Other athletes chimed in. Some praised Ronaldo. They said he used his platform to promote healthy living. Others weren't so happy. They thought he was being a diva. This whole thing got people thinking. It showed the incredible influence of athletes. These guys aren't just sports stars, they're global icons. Millions of people look up to them. What they do matters, what they say matters. They have a responsibility to be role models. But it's not just about telling people what to drink, it's about promoting healthy choices in general. Athletes can use their platforms to encourage exercise. They can talk about the importance of good nutrition. They can inspire people to live healthier lives.